Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way we are going to show you how can you extract email address from Mailspring Mailboxes in some clicks. Let's start by downloading PC.'s Mailspring converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab and see the list, Software Support Many Email Client and File Format. If you have Mailspring email client configured on a machine, click on Open Configured Mailspring Data Files. Otherwise, select Choose from a folder option. Here, we are continuing to configure the Mailspring account. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. Please choose the required Mailspring folder. Now, tap on the Mailspring mailbox that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. It's fantastic that you can see the email content and other details such as email properties, signature, sender information and more. If that Mailspring mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message into standard formats. And Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. So, let's choose email addresses from the Extract options as shown in the video. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to extract email addresses from attachment. This option is available so that you get extracted email from readable attachments files with complete accuracy. The last one is select fields to extract email addresses from. As you can see, there are many fields highlighted in this option such as from, subject, to, CC, and more. After all, tap to the Extract tab to start the process. After some time, a message appears on your screen declaring that the email extracting process is done and this much number of email addresses is found. Now, click on the Save button. The demo edition of the software allows you to extract only 10 email addresses. It's time to check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, email addresses are successfully extracted from the mailbird emails.